Okay, I got halfway through that problem before it cut off. So number 12, you get down to x equals 66. Now, x equals 66 is our angle, okay? Well, the problem asks for our complement, so you still got to go back and find the complement of the angle. So the complement would be 90 minus your angle, so 90 minus 66, so you get 24 degrees. So the correct answer to number 12 is 24 degrees, okay? On number 13, an angle, so there's your x, is means equals. Now this time it says 12 degrees less than, so that means we got to subtract 12 from something. 3 times its supplement, okay? So 3 times means you got 3 outside of parentheses. The supplement is going to be 180 minus your angle, so 180 minus x. So then your actual equation should look like this. 3 times 180 minus x, and then subtract 12. Distribute the 3. Put your like terms together. Add 3x to both sides, then divide by 4. So your angle is 132 degrees. And that's actually all that it asks for here is to find the measure of the angle. So it's just 132. Alright, on number 14, it's kind of, just a little puzzle. You got to piece it together. And it tells you 1 is congruent to 4. 4 and 5 are complementary. And it tells you angle 3 is 26 degrees. So 26, and then 90, angle 2 is 90, okay? Well, if you put angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3 all together, they form a straight line. That means they're going to add up to be 180. So 26 plus 90 plus something equals 180. So I'm going to say 90 plus 26 and get 116, and subtract that from 180, and that'll tell me what angle 1 is. Okay, so that 64 plus 90 plus 26 are all going to add up to be 180. So now I know angle 1 is 64. Well, that means angle 4 is also 64 because it says that they're congruent. See that little congruent symbol right there? So that means they're congruent. Okay, angle 5 and angle 4 are complementary. Well, complementary means that they're going to add up to be 90. So you just say 90 minus 64, and that'll tell you what angle 5 is. So angle 5 is 26 degrees. On number 14, it says the intersection of the 2 lines. So if you look at your 2 lines, AC and BD, they intersect at C. So point C would be the correct answer to number 14. Number 15, a pair of opposite rays. So you can look at ray CD and ray CB. Notice how we write that. CD with a ray over it, CB with a ray over it. They start at C. One goes through D, and the other one goes through B. All right, a point on ray BC. So any point on ray BC, you could put B, you could put C, or you could put D. All right, and then the intersection of the 2 planes. Well, when the 2 planes intersect, their intersection is a line, and it's line BD. Now, you could also call that line BC, or you could call it line CD, but it's that line. And then another name for plane N, you got to choose 3 points on that plane that are not all on the same line. There's a lot of correct answers, okay? One correct answer is plane ACD. Another one might be ABC. Another one you could put is plane BAD. Or you could do, you can't do BCD. BCD would be bad. You couldn't do that one because it would be all 3 on the same line. Alright, and I don't know why it's on here. Okay, now, number 17, a line intersecting plane N at point Q. So just draw a little plane N and a line that goes through it at point Q. Number 18, a ray with endpoint M that goes through N. So it starts at M and goes through N. Number 19 says 2 intersecting lines. One's called AB and the other one is CD, and they intersect at point E. And then number 20, a pair of opposite rays, so it's just going to make a line with G in the middle. So GM and GN are your 2 rays. Number 21 through 25, that's just vocabulary. I'm just going to put the answers up here. You can read those on your own.